These clasps were made in Germany and Israel. Absolutely beautiful, perfect finish, and quite strong. First, I wanted to show you this box clasp. Look how beautiful it is with its crystals. And absolutely finished. It will be a great way to end either necklace or bracelet as well. And if I flip it over, you can see the different links that it would have. So this one has about 5 links, so you could have a 5-strand necklace or even a 5-strand bracelet. In my personal opinion, I think this would be great for a necklace. And just to show you, you just have to squeeze one end and pull out. And as you can see, it's just pushing it right back in, and as soon as you hear the snap, you know it's closed. Same thing with this type of style. This one also has about a 5. This has also 5 links and has some crystals also on the side, but in a different finish. And it's a little bit smaller, so I would say this is more of a medium size box clasp. And here's what I consider a small box clasp, which is a little bit more simple. And it's absolutely beautiful, as I've mentioned, on a bracelet. And for this clasp, this is actually made from Israel. It's absolutely beautiful with its designs, not just in the front, but also on the sides. And the designs also in the back. Great to end a gorgeous bracelet or necklace that you've been creating. And here's the little clasp at the end where you can just pull out, and as you can see, there's still a link. All you have to do is push down to where the opening is, and it opens up. And you just do the same thing in the reverse order to close it. And you'll know this is quite secure. You'll never be able to lose your bracelet, and it will stay on your wrist. These are, I've mentioned, are a little bit more expensive, but definitely worth the money. Here are some sterling silvers. These are our limited edition designer creations, where it's absolutely beautiful. And this has multiple links, just so that you could use this for bracelet or necklace or whatever your heart's desires. And you don't even have to use all the links. You could skip every other. Whatever you think of would be great for this necklace, for this type of clasp. And it also kind of has a bit of a hook on the back. All you have to do is just unhook it and rehook once you want to close it. And another way, another type of sterling silver is this toggle clasp, which is also another sterling silver, which is absolutely beautiful. Another type of sterling silver is this bar and toggle, which comes in a different type of style as well, and a beautiful finish.